How to create a Sankey chart in Google Sheets. Sankey chart data requirements. You need between 2 and 8 columns of categorical data to create a Sankey chart. Categorical data definition: it describes a characteristic or a category of data. It takes on values that are names or labels. Categorical data is also called qualitative data. You need 1 column of numerical data to create a Sankey chart. Numerical data definition: it is in the form of numbers and is numeric in nature. It can be counted or measured and can be arranged in a logical order. Numerical data is also called quantitative data. In this video, first, we will construct a Sankey chart with 3 data columns as follows. 2 columns containing categorical data. 1 column containing numerical data. Later on, we'll add a categorical data column. Important: Sankey chart will only accept data in columns as shown in the image on the left. Click on the Add New Chart button. Select the Sankey chart. Select the sheet holding your data from Sheet Name dropdown. Note: Header Row checkbox is checked because data contains header row. Select Metric Count. Select Level Device. Select Level Gender. You can set row range using the slider, or manually set value in Start Row and End Row text boxes. Currently, we will select all rows. When all required selections have been made, the Create Chart button will become active. Click on the Create Chart button. Now we will add a third categorical data column. Select Level Age Group. When all required selections have been made, the Create Chart button will become active. Click on the Create Chart button. Click on the Edit Chart button. Click on the chart header pen to edit the properties. Then enter the header text. Make sure you have turned on Show Property before you click the Apply button. You can change node's color. Click on the Save button. Click on the Export button to export chart in JPG, PNG, SVG, or PDF. Click on the Add Chart to Sheet button to add chart image in Sheet. We appreciate your business. Thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.